wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best 4K streaming devices. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Google Chromecast Ultra plugs into your television's HDMI input and a USB port as a power source and allows for robust, reliable and convenient screen mirroring over a wireless network from just about any mobile device or PC. There's an optional Ethernet connection and it operates using the Google Home app. However, it lacks a standard user interface. At number 9, the speaker built into the Amazon Fire TV Cube gives you instant voice control via Alexa, and the rest of the powerful hardware inside provides a quick and lag-free experience. This particular bundle includes a year's subscription to the Food Network Kitchen app. It contains several long-range microphones and offers advanced HDR support, but it is relatively expensive. Coming in at number 8 in our list. One of the best reasons for choosing the Apple TV is its lockdown software ecosystem, which ensures that all apps are trustworthy and effective, and that performance is just about the best in the field, although this can't display YouTube in Ultra HD. It does provide Dolby Vision and Atmos support, and is available with 32 or 64 gigabytes of storage. However, it is extremely costly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 4K streaming devices, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the most recent version of the Roku Ultra takes one of the most popular interfaces and adds some interesting touches, such as an enhanced remote control with a locator feature in case it gets lost, and a quad-core CPU that minimizes lag and stuttering. It provides access to Disney Plus and Apple TV and offers customizable app shortcuts. It includes a pair of JBL earbuds too. Moving up our list to number 6. The interface in the Roku Premiere is widely considered the most convenient of its kind and offers just about the best selection of content available. Among its helpful features is the ability to use headphones via your mobile device. It offers a plug-and-play setup, MuMimo Wi-Fi connectivity, and Dolby digital audio. Halfway up our list at number 5. Even though it's not incredibly popular, the TiVo RA2400 does a good job of upholding the manufacturer's long-standing reputation for consumer-friendly products without requiring any kind of subscription for access to a variety of content. It comes with a straightforward user interface and is compatible with Sling TV, and it integrates with Google Assistant. At number 4, given its size, speed, and ability to interact with Alexa, the Amazon Fire TV Stick is an ideal choice for anyone already working with that home automation system. It's very easy to set up and get started. It weighs under 2 ounces and includes voice-operated remote control and 8 gigabytes of storage. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. While it comes from a relatively unknown manufacturer, the Ematic Jetstream runs the official Android TV operating system rather than an open-source adaptation. This is especially useful for using the Kodi application alongside a home media server. It's certified for Netflix in Ultra HD and offers microSD and USB storage. It doesn't cost a fortune either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 4K streaming devices, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, in addition to being compact and reasonably priced, the Roku Streaming Stick Plus has one of the easiest to use operating systems, with access to a huge variety of movies and shows, including the Disney Plus and Apple TV services. It promises a simple setup process and private listening via your smartphone. It boasts long-range Wi-Fi connectivity. And taking the top spot on our list, driven by a powerful Tegra X1 Plus processor, the Nvidia Shield Pro is suitable for a wide range of tasks and can even stream modern AAA games. There is a less expensive version that takes up less room, and they both come with a straightforward remote control. It runs the official Android TV operating system and boasts advanced HDR support and a built-in smart home hub. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 4K streaming devices, or simply click beneath this video.